You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from Greek mythology. By the way, if you want to learn more names of gods from ancient Greek mythology, stay tuned. I've got tons more videos you'll want to learn from. Absolutely. Thetis, that's British English and American English pronunciations. I believe in Greek it's pronounced more as thetis, but the English pronunciation is certainly as thetis. Yes, thetis, not thetis, thetis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.